Today on ChatEDU Check-In, Anthropic is in a race for CS students in higher education. ChatEDU Check-In is sponsored by EduAid. Put in the code ChatEDU for 50% off. EduAid is where good ideas become great lessons, and we are super grateful for their support. Hey, you can check out ChatEDU Check-In each Tuesday and Thursday, and be sure to watch or listen to The Big Show with Dr. Elizabeth Rade and myself each and every Friday. Okay, this is from the Wall Street Journal. Ray Smith and Lindsay Ellis. The title is Anthropic Takes a Big Step in the AI Race to Reshape College Coding Courses. All right, three big takeaways. First, Anthropic has partnered with the nonprofit CodePath to integrate Claude AI tools into the coding curricula of over 1,000 community and state colleges. This collaboration specifically aims to reach students in historically Black colleges, Hispanic-serving institutions, and schools serving first-generation college students. Good on them. The goal is to provide students with the same sophisticated tools used by professionals to ensure they are not left behind as technology evolves. By embedding these tools into the curriculum, students move beyond theoretical exercise into building real-world open-source projects. Takeaway 2, tech giants compete for influence in the classroom. Anthropic is joined in a crowded field where Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft are already vying to establish their AI models as the standard for the next generation of workers. These companies are offering everything from free subscriptions to specialized research tools and funding to secure early exposure to their specific platforms. This race is driven by the desire to have students trained on proprietary models before they even enter the workforce. And for universities, these partnerships offer a way to keep pace with the technology that changes faster than traditional course design can manage. Hey, before we hit our third takeaway, first a little word from EduAid. EduAid is where good ideas become great lessons. Recent updates from EduAid include a range of really cool tools, including grade-level evaluators, classroom-ready graphic organizers, and supports that turn rough ideas into lessons you can use tomorrow. All right, takeaway 3, employer expectations drive rapid curricular changes. Recent surveys certainly indicate that 3/4 of employers expect new hires to be fluent in AI tools, even though many feel colleges are currently failing to provide sufficient preparation. As a result, some institutions are now updating their courses multiple times a year or even implementing AI competency graduation requirements. The shift moves the focus from earning a simple certificate to building a portfolio of work that proves that the student can build software or analyze data. Educational leaders are choosing to pilot these programs immediately, accepting some ambiguity in exchange for speed. This is complicated, right? If you're a university, it makes total sense. It's like you get these tools and resources and kind of best-in-class software and models. At the same time, you're making a partnership which says, okay, great, this is the tool to use. So now my graduates are going to be fluent in Claude Code as opposed to Anti-Gravity from Google or Codex from OpenAI. And the fight for these kids is really quite astonishing. It really is trying to do more than just influence skill development. It is trying to lock consumers and lock future employees into their platforms. And boy, it's happening everywhere, right? These deals are being cut with large-scale universities like Cal State or countries like Estonia or Italy. So at some level, university presidents and provosts and deans will have to kind of come up with some really thoughtful internal rubrics about how to make decisions around these type of corporate partnerships. Well, that's where we are. Let's keep the conversation going. Let us know what you think. Drop a note or a comment and let us know what you think of the check-ins. Please like, subscribe, or follow. We deeply appreciate it. Hey, share with a friend. And again, thanks to the folks at EduAid. That is eduaid.ai. Put in the code ChatEDU for 50% off, and we're grateful for their support.